Down. Come quick, you might be able to get a shot. They're running up the hill, the toms are. There's a lot more than there just were. Yeah. I saw 4 toms with them. I took the one that I think was the biggest. Yep. The toms went up through here. Ow. Huh? It's recording.
Oh, nice. Good job, Travis.
I didn't check if it was lined up with the camera.
I kinda like it. I was laying down, man. I didn't want to mess it up.
Huh?
I didn't want to mess it up. I was just laying down.
Well, I could see one when I went there. It was like, oh, pop down, climb up. The 4 hens over here saw me. These guys didn't, and then I moved up a little bit. They didn't see me.
Nice.
Just got my gun in between them. I was looking.
First shot with that gun?
First shot with this gun.
You never even fired a shot through it?
I shot the pheasants and everything. First shot at a turkey.
Oh, yeah.
Only the 7th shot I've taken with this.
Nice.
Must be zeroed.
Nice.
Woo!
Put a hurt on him?
Huh?
He felt pretty good?
Oh, yeah. I mean, you can see right now. He's got some big holes on the side of his head.
I wonder if it's on your good camera.
It should be on this.
Hopefully.
The problem is there's not very good zoom, and since this is higher than me, it should be okay.
Okay. Nice. Good
Wow.
job.
I smell gunpowder.
Yeah.
Ugh. It worked.
Mm-hmm.
I was expecting him to maybe be this way.
I can't believe you saw them. Oh, there goes more. Up on the top.
On this side.
That was a gobbler there, too. Several ran up this way, huh?
They split. The hens
Ah.
went that way, the toms went up this, the rest went that way.
Yeah, I just saw 2 toms going that
Because
way.
there were 4, 3, so there were 4 hens. We only had 3 hens up there.
Huh.
4 hens, the 3 toms, and there were another 4 over here.
Jeez.
Or so.
That's cool, man. Gee, that's a good beard.
Yeah, it looked like the heaviest. He's got small spurs though.
2-year-old bird. Good beard, though.
Not bad though. He
Really?
was the thickest, that's why I chose him.
Yeah, he's got a good beard.
Yeah.
Nice. Sweet.
Spot and stock.
And the truck's just right there.
I know, right? You could almost see the truck. From up there, I probably could see the truck.
I could see it. Where's the truck? I see shiny. There's the truck.
Oh, we don't have to walk far.
No. Alright, let's go eat lunch.
Let's go.
Let's go eat lunch and take some pictures and tag him. And
Oh, I got blood on my gun. How did I get blood on my gun? Must have been when I swung it around.
maybe.
There's blood.